And by tomorrow, Ascension Seton employees will be suspended if they aren't fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
This comes nearly 4 months after the hospital system announced a COVID-19 vaccine mandate with some medical or religious exemptions that require approval.
KXAN's J.Lo Washington reports that some folks who have been unable to get those exemptions cleared now face the consequences but stand firm in their beliefs.
Delilah Barrios' hospital ID is coming off, this time for good.
They trust us to take care of people, but they don't trust us to make decisions for our own health care, and that's very shameful to me.
She's a surgical tech and has been with Ascension Seton and Kyle for 18 years.
It's either comply or lose your job. That's it.
And it really is just that simple. Ascension Seton said as a part of a press release, as a healthcare provider and Catholic ministry, ensuring a culture of safety for its associates, patients, and communities is foundational to their work. So Thursday will be Barrios' last day.
I volunteered to submit to weekly COVID testing and was just flatly told no.
She's Indigenous and tried to get a religious exemption, but it was denied.
Have not taken a flu vaccine for at least 8 years now. I did the same process to request religious declination for that.
The hospital system wouldn't say how many medical or religious exemptions were or were not approved, and it's also being tight-lipped on how many employees will be fired as a result of noncompliance. On Friday, the deadline to be fully vaccinated, some employees plan to protest.
I need to have my voice heard because they didn't hear it any other way. To let them know that I was a good employee for you, that I worked hard for you.
OR nurse Carmela Johnson's religious exemption application was also denied.
I have to do what's right for my conscience. I have to be able to look at myself in the morning.
That was J.Lo Washington reporting. Employees tell us the suspension period will last until January 5th. January 4th is the deadline for large private employers to comply with the federal vaccine mandate. If Ascension employees accept the suspension, they will not be unable to collect unemployment until after then.